The High Court has quashed and set aside an order issued by High Commission of India in UK denying passport to a minor girl, holding that she is not eligible for the passport as her mother is not an Indian citizen. Fact of the case is that when the petitioner girl was born, both her parents were Indian citizen. But when she was 3 years old, her parents got divorced and later her mother obtained Portuguese passport and settled in UK. The girl is presently studying in UK. Recently, when the petitioner girl applied for the Indian passport, the respondent authority denied to issue her a passport, holding that her physical custody is with the mother who is not a Indian citizen. But the High Court has now held that she is an Indian citizen and she cannot be denied issuance of passport only because her mother is not an Indian citizen. And the High Court has directed the authority to issue her an Indian passport. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.